Today we're going to talk about the importance of having an online reputation manager. Your online reputation is the sum of everything people can find about you or your business on the internet. This includes reviews, social media activity, news articles, and more. Here's why having an online reputation manager is crucial. An online reputation manager takes a proactive approach to managing your online presence. They monitor what's being said about you or your business, identify potential issues early, and address them before they escalate. Dealing with negative reviews, defamatory content, or harmful social media posts can be challenging. They know how to respond to negative content, request removals, and promote positive information to mitigate the impact. An online reputation manager helps build and enhance your brand by creating and promoting positive content. They ensure that your online presence reflects your values, skills, and achievements to help attract new opportunities and enhance your credibility. In the event of a PR crisis, an online reputation manager provides immediate and effective strategies to control the narrative and reduce damage. Their experience in handling crises ensures that your reputation is protected during challenging times. Managing your online reputation can be time-consuming and stressful. Having a dedicated professional allows you to focus on your core activities while they handle the reputation management tasks, helping you to save time and reduce stress. An online reputation manager continuously monitors your online presence and implements strategies to improve it. Ongoing monitoring and improvement help maintain a strong and positive online image. An online reputation manager provides customized strategies tailored to your specific needs and goals. They understand that each individual or business is unique and requires a personalized approach, ensuring that your online presence aligns with your objectives. At Leak Content Removal, we are dedicated to protecting and enhancing your online presence. From monitoring and managing negative content to building a positive brand image, we provide tailored solutions to meet your needs. Our services include social media management, content creation, crisis management, and more. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and advice. And if you need professional assistance with online reputation management, visit us at leakcontentremoval.com. Until next time, stay proactive in managing your online reputation.